Hello YouTube. Today my brother came home and he told me about his iPod. And I thought I knew how to fix it, but apparently I can't. And I tried rebooting it and it just keeps rebooting by itself and nothing happens. I tried plugging it to iTunes and everything, it just won't work. It's an iPod Classic, an 80 gig. He said he didn't drop it or anything, so he just said he pulled it out of his pocket and saw it like this. He said it just stopped working by itself. I don't know if he hit it or something, but if you guys know how to fix this or know any tricks or tips to this, let me know. Leave a comment, and thanks.